Git SSH agent. What does SSH agent mean? An SSH agent is a background program that stores your SSH private keys in memory and automatically uses them when connecting to remote repositories with Git. It means you have SSH keys, and you don't want to type passphrase every time, and Git needs to authenticate securely. So SSH agent equals key manager plus memory storage plus automatic authentication. Why SSH agent matters? It is important because saves time, avoids typing passphrase repeatedly, keeps keys secure, makes Git push and pull easier, improves workflow. Without SSH agent, crossmark you must enter passphrase every time. Crossmark slower work. Crossmark more interruptions. Crossmark risk of exposing key. With SSH agent, checkmark one-time unlock. Checkmark faster authentication. Checkmark better security. Checkmark smooth workflow. Checkmark less friction. Why you might need SSH agent. This usually happens when you use SSH keys with GitHub or GitLab. You have passphrase protected keys. You work with many repositories. You push and pull code frequently. You use multiple SSH keys. Without SSH agent, crossmark constant passphrase prompts. Crossmark annoying workflow. Crossmark higher chance of mistakes. Crossmark hard to automate. With SSH agent, checkmark key loaded once. Checkmark auto authentication. Checkmark no repeated prompts. Checkmark better experience. Typical situations where this is needed. Common scenarios. Using SSH for Git. Using multiple SSH keys. Working with private repos. Automating Git operations. C/CD environments. Example. Push code means Git asks for key. SSH agent means supplies key automatically. Why? Secure connection. No manual password. Faster work. Basic troubleshooting steps. First checks. Check if SSH agent is running. Check loaded keys. Check SSH config. Check Git remote URL. Test SSH connection. Why? Ensure agent is active. Ensure key is loaded. Avoid wrong key usage. Prevent auth failure. Fix 1. Start SSH agent. Use when SSH agent is not running. Result. Agent runs in background. Why? Enables key storage. Required for automation. Base setup step. Warning danger. Crossmark closing terminal may stop agent. Crossmark agent not started on boot. Good practice. Checkmark start agent on login. Checkmark verify status. Checkmark use system keychain when possible. Fix 2. Add SSH key to agent. Use when you want agent to remember your key. Result. Key is stored in memory. Why? No repeated passphrase. Faster Git commands. Secure handling. Bad practice. Crossmark using unprotected private keys. Crossmark forgetting to add key. Good practice. Checkmark use passphrase. Checkmark add correct key. Checkmark list loaded keys. Fix 3. Use SSH agent with multiple keys. Use when you have work and personal keys. Result. Agent manages multiple identities. Why? Easy switching. No conflicts. Clean workflow. Bad practice. Crossmark only one key for all accounts. Crossmark no SSH config file. Good practice. Checkmark name keys clearly. Checkmark map keys in config. Checkmark test each identity. Fix 4. Troubleshoot SSH agent errors. Use when Git shows permission denied. Agent not responding. Key not found. Result. Authentication works again. Why? Fix broken login. Restore workflow. Avoid downtime. Warning danger. Crossmark deleting keys accidentally. Crossmark using wrong key. Good practice. Checkmark reload keys. Checkmark restart agent. Checkmark verify remote URL. Daily workflow to use SSH agent safely. Safe workflow. Start SSH agent. Add keys once. Use SSH remotes. Test connections. Keep keys organized. Why? No interruptions. Secure access. Faster work. Clean setup. Common mistakes that cause SSH agent issues. Agent not running. Key not added. Wrong key loaded. Wrong remote URL. Using HTTPS instead of SSH. Why? Authentication fails. Permission denied. Push blocked. Confusion. SSH agent structure example. Good structure. SSH agent running. Keys loaded. Config file mapping. Bad structure. No agent. No keys. No config. Why? Predictable behavior. Easy debugging. Stable workflow. How SSH agent affects teams. When done wrong. Commits blocked. Access denied. Delays. When done right. Checkmark fast authentication. Checkmark secure access. Checkmark no conflicts. Checkmark smooth collaboration. Real life analogy. SSH agent is like a key holder in your pocket. House key means used automatically. Office key means used automatically. No key holder equals search key every time. In simple words, SSH agent means store your SSH key in memory. Let Git use it automatically. Avoid typing passphrase again and again. Fix equals start agent. Add key. Use SSH. Work smoothly. Best practices for SSH agent. Use. Checkmark passphrase protected keys. Checkmark SSH agent on startup. Checkmark SSH config file. Checkmark separate keys per account. Checkmark test connections. Avoid. Crossmark no passphrase. Crossmark manual password login. Crossmark one key for everything. Crossmark forgetting agent. Crossmark deleting keys. SSH agent helps you avoid repeated passphrase entry. Manage SSH keys securely. Speed up Git authentication. Work with multiple accounts. Stay productive. A good Git SSH setup. Checkmark uses SSH agent. Checkmark uses secure keys. Checkmark prevents mistakes. Checkmark supports teamwork. Checkmark builds confidence.